Good morning. I'm Chamatkar Varachi. My research is impact of odor to Kardian communities. This research was carried out considering the Kardian solid waste dump site, which is located in Piliyandala, Colombo district of Sri Lanka. 25 acres in wetland of Borlesgamu, Borpana was being used as the Kardian solid waste dump site. The available data shows that the dump site started in 1996, first and estimated to have disposed of 3 million metric tons. Currently, the mixed municipal waste as well as source segregate, household and commercial waste is disposed at the Kardian waste processing site. The current practices of municipal solid waste disposal to Karadiana solid waste dump have led to numerous environmental and social problems. The main environmental impact are the emission of landfill gases and leachate due to complex sequences of physical changes associated with biological and chemical reactions of the solid waste placed in landfill. Air pollution from the landfill emissions cause many problems to surrounding community. The main target of the research is to identify the odor affected areas and provide solutions that can be proposed to minimize the odor. These are the objectives of my study. In the methodology, 3 people was used to collect this data using questionnaire. This method is called as field inception with panel method. I collected data approximately from 50 points, each point evaluated 2 times on 2 different days. All 3 members had go to each point and record the value as they sense. A CD Droid app was used to record the coordinates of each point. Finally, draw recorded points on a land use map obtained from Urban Development Authority and analyze them using ArcGIS. This shows identify the boundary of odor affected area using non-odor points that obtained from field insertion method. Then measure the horizontal distance to the points from Kardian solid waste dump using ArcGIS. This slide shows the odor intensity variation around Kardian dump site. This shows the odor intensity distribution with wind direction. The meteorological data was obtained from meteorological department. According to the result of probability of wind direction against odor distribution distance shows that the odor distribution distance is increased with the wind direction. This presents the odor intensity variation against precipitation. To get these results, I had to compare 2 datasets that obtained in rainy day and normal day. According to the results, odor concentration of 57% of points were increased after the precipitation. Therefore, this data reveals that rainfall affected for the increment of intensity of odor. In this slide shows the odor intensity variation against temperature. I had to evaluate every point in 2 times to get this variation against temperature. The average temperature was a bit different on each 2 times. It observed only 15 points odor concentration varied among 53 points against temperature. There was not much difference between average temperature of these 2 times, otherwise we could have seen more variation. But according to these data and other references, shows that the intensity of odor is increased with temperature increasing. These are the conclusions of my study. These are some future applications of this research. These are some main references of my study. Thank you.